Hey guys, welcome back to my channel or welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. In today's video, I'm gonna curate for beginners makeup kit products starting from rupees 75 and the maximum that I'm gonna go for is 300, and I have few of my favorites which are little more than 300. I'll be sharing with you guys that as well. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So let's start with the base. For beginners, I would suggest to go for CC or BB creams because they are light and also easy to work with. So the first product I have in CC creams is Lakme 925 CC cream. This is the bigger package I have, which is a 30-gram package, and this retails for 335 rupees but always on sale for 299 rupees. And also there's a smaller version of it which is 9 grams product, which you get it for 105 rupees. So if you're starting, I suggest you to go for CC creams. And also a few other options I have in CC cream are Pond's CC cream. So this one says Pond's White Beauty BB cream. Again, it's a 9-gram product and it retails for 82 rupees. The other BB cream I have here is of Nykaa SKINgenius BB cream, which also has SPF 30, and this retails for 349 rupees but always on discount on Nykaa, and after sale you get it for 297 rupees, so it's still in our budget. So if you're still not convinced that you want to use BB or CC cream and you want to go for foundation, I do have few options for you guys. So first foundation that I would ever recommend to anybody is Maybelline New York Fit Me foundation. Now Maybelline New York Fit Me foundation is an expensive one. You get a bottle for 549 rupees, but you also get a smaller tube for 299, so you can get your hands on the smaller one, use it. If you like, then you can try investing on a bigger one. After Maybelline New York Fit Me foundation, I also suggest you guys to try Lakme 925 Weightless Mini Mousse foundation. Now this one again has very limited shades and this retails for 150 rupees, which is a good one. It actually is similar to CC cream but a little bit into foundation side. The other foundation that I would like to suggest is the Lakme Perfecting Liquid foundation. Now this is the cheapest foundation I can find for you guys, which actually works and doesn't damage your skin. So this one retails for 150 rupees and you also get good shades in this. So yeah, you can try your hands on that. Two other foundations which are almost every time on sale and they're little pricey is Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. This always on sale on Nykaa, and this is a really good foundation. Generally retails for 599 rupees but always on sale for 300. So if you see this on sale, then get your hands on it. Another foundation is Nykaa SKINgenius. So this is sort of a BB cream version foundation, and this is also for 575 rupees but always on discount on Nykaa again for 374, a little bit extra than our budget but worth a try. And last but not the least, my favorite. Now again, if you want to invest a little bit more and you really want to get a good foundation, then this is the one. This is Maybelline New York Super Stay Full Coverage foundation. Now this retails for 750 but it's a gem, guys. Next comes the concealer. Now if you ask me personally, I would say no to concealer. Don't get concealers when you're starting up. You can actually use the foundation or CC cream to cover up your dark circles, put a little bit more on your problematic areas, and you'll be good to go. But if you insist that you want a concealer, then these are the options that I have. The first one is the Inside Cosmetics Pro Concealer. Now this is the dupe for LA Girl Pro Conceal HD, which I've been using ever since. Now this one is for 180 rupees. I haven't tried this but I heard really good reviews. For the price, it works the best. Apart from Inside, there are two concealers from Maybelline, which is Maybelline New York Fit Me Concealer and Maybelline New York Instant Age Rewind Concealer. Now these two are the best concealers I've ever tried. Fit Me Concealer retails for 475 rupees and the Age Rewind Concealer retails for 620 rupees. Now a little bit pricey but they are really good. And last but not the least, again, if you want to take your game a little ahead, then you should definitely check out LA Girl Pro Conceal HD. This is one of the best concealers I've tried and this retails for 695 rupees. I don't think so it's a huge amount, but it's a really good product. So now we are done with the base. Now to set the base, we need a powder or a compact. I would generally suggest you to go for compact, and Lakme Radiance Compact is the best compact under 300 rupees. It's just for 150 and it works perfect. Another compact that I really want to put out there is the Lakme 925 Flawless Matte Complexion Compact. Now this one is a little pricey, again going out of the budget. It retails for $450, but it's a really good product. So if you want to put extra 150 rupees, then you should definitely get your hands on this. Now we're done with the base and also setting up the whole base. Now let's go to eye area. So the first eye product that I'm going to talk about are the eyeshadows. So for eyeshadow, I would suggest you to go for eyeshadows which have basic neutral palettes, and one of the best ones to get is the Wet n Wild Color Iconic Eyeshadow. Now this one has a lot of different colors to it. You can cover from daytime and also to nighttime wear, so you can have all the 4 to 5 shades in that and you'll be good to go. Now Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette retails for $299, which is a great one. Also the pigmentation and the colors are really nice in this palette, so if you're trying eyeshadows for the first time, then you should definitely get your hands on this. If you want to go a little more ahead and spend more, then I have few more options that are really nice. So few of them are Nykaa Eyes on Me palette, and now this one has really nice colors and very pigmented. Now this retails for $599, which is a really good deal. And also Lakme 925 has really good colors, and this also retails for 650 rupees and a little bit pricey for the shades. You get only 4 shades, but they're really pigmented and last you long. And the other eyeshadow palette is Lakme Absolute Infinity Eyeshadow Palette. Now this one has a lot of colors in it, and this retails for $699. Like, trust me, these colors are really pigmented and they work really nice. You have almost all the colors and browns and nudes and also like pinks and greens, so you know, you have everything almost for just $699, so it's a good investment. And apart from all these, my favorite basic palettes are Maybelline Nudes Makeup Revolution. Now I have 2 nudes. One is the blushed ones, the other one is the rock nudes, and these are generally for 900 rupees. So if you want to invest a little more and get a good one, then you should definitely check that out. This also has matte shades and also shimmer, so it's a yay. And apart from that, if you want to search for any other option, then Makeup Revolution is also a good brand to check out for. Now this also has a really nice palettes, and this is also for 900 rupees. So these both are almost in similar range, and if you get in a good discount, then you should definitely get your hands on this. Now come the eyebrows. Now generally for beginners, I would not suggest you to get different eyebrow palette. I would suggest you to go for a good eyeshadow palette. You can actually use the brown shade to do your brows. Another pro tip, never ever use blacks for your eyebrows. Instead get dark brown. You know, it actually looks more like your eyebrows than, you know, getting fake ones. But still, if you want to get your hands on eyebrow pencil, then I have few options over here. The first one is the Maybelline New York Fashion Brow Cream Pencil. Now this is a really good one. Again, do not get black, get browns or dark browns, and this retails for $205, so in a budget. And the other one is the Wet n Wild Color Icon Brow Pencil. Now this is also a really good one. It also has a creamy format and it comes with a wand. You can actually use that for your brows, and this one retails for $250, so again, a budget. And this is my favorite in the lot. As a beginner, when I started, I used this product. I remember this is Maybelline New York Fashion Brow Duo Shaper in the shade brown. Now this is 305 rupees, 5 rupees extra, but chalta hai. This has powder and also this has pencil, and it was really well. I've used this as a beginner, and I would suggest you to guys, if you want a good one, check this out. Now done with the brows, we are going for mascara. Now for mascara, I would hands down suggest you to guys to go for Maybelline mascaras. Now they start from 335 and they are almost around 400 to 500. Actually not more than 500, below 400 itself, and they are really nice. And now comes the eyeliners. Now few of the eyeliners that I really love are Lakme Insta eyeliner. Now again, this as a beginner, I used it when I was starting, and this retails for 130 rupees only, and it's a gem. And the other eyeliner I have in the list is Nykaa Black Magic Liquid Eyeliner. Again, I've used this, but it didn't really last really long for me. I mean, the Lakme one lasted me almost for 6 months, and this lasted around for 2 to 3 months, and this costs around 239 rupees. Again, it's a really good one. And again, coming to my favorites, Lakme Absolute Shine Liquid Eyeliner is my favorite. It goes little over the budget. It retails for 425 rupees, but it's the best eyeliner I use till date. I actually can't find it right now, but I use it till date. Now done with the eyeliners, we have kajals. Now for kajals, I am not really a kajal person. I used to use kajal before as a beginner, and currently I don't really use kajal a lot, but I have few options for you guys. One of them is the Maybelline New York Colossal Kajal, which is the best kajal and it retails for 180 rupees. And I also have Lakme Iconic Kajal. I do have it in different shades. I have it in black and I also have it in blue. Now this also retails for 180 rupees. So this is also one of the good options to check out. Done with the eyes, now we have a little bit of contouring and blush. I would suggest you guys as a beginner to not go for blushes and do not go for contouring. If you want to contour, again, use the Maybelline or any other eyeshadow palette. Use the brown shade and contour. And for blush, you can actually use your lipstick and do that. You actually have really good lipsticks that are both lip and cheek tints. You can get one of those. Or if you really want to get a blush, then I would suggest you guys to go for Maybelline Color Show blush. Now this one is in the shade Fresh Coral and this is very old, guys. Like really old, and this works really well, and this I think I've got for around 300. But if you really want to invest on a good blush and also contour palette, then I would suggest you to go for Sugar Face palette. Now this has blush, contour and also highlight, so this retails for 799, but it's a good one. You get all of these and they're really pigmented and they're really nice. A lot of bloggers use this and I'm also trying to get my hands on it. So if you really want a good palette, then you should definitely check this out. Now comes the last part, the lipsticks. Now I have options in lipsticks, lip crayons and liquid lipsticks. One of the cheapest and works the best is the L18 Colourpop matte lipstick. Now I used to use this as a beginner. When I was in college, I used to get these, and these are just for 75, and the pigmentation and the colors variations, everything is just really nice. They stay really well and they are matte. For 75 rupees, you're getting such a good lipstick. And Nykaa also has got really amazing lipsticks on budget. So one of them are Nykaa So Matte Mini lipsticks, and these are just for 199 and always on sale for 179 or 190. They are really nice, pigmented, and they have so many color shades. There's also another one in Nykaa, which is Nykaa So Creamy Matte lipsticks. Now these are again for 299 rupees, but always on discount for 254 rupees. And Maybelline also has got really nice lipstick. Now this one is the Maybelline New York Color Sensation Creamy Matte lipstick, and I've tried them a lot and they're really nice, and they come exactly in the budget of 299 rupees. You should definitely try this out. Now in bullet lipsticks, I love Calabar a lot. Now Calabar Velvet Matte lipstick, they retail for 340 rupees, but guys, I have so many with me right now. I've collected so many of them from that range, and I really like the pigmentation. Now comes to the lip crayon. I only have one product which comes under budget and a really nice, just Lakme Enriched Lip Crayon. Now this one is like you have to sharp it and then use it. I think you are never ever going to get over this. Like, look at that, and the shades are really nice. The pigmentation is really good. I really like this color. It looks really, I mean, pinky and cute, and doesn't really feel like you have something on your lips. And this doesn't stay for a long time, but you can actually reapply it again and again. You know, it's such a small product. You can keep it in your bag, and this is just for 225 rupees. It's worth it, guys, worth it. Now after lip crayons and lipsticks, I have liquid lipsticks. My favorite, and I should definitely include this or else I'll be cursed, is the Blue Heaven Elegance Matte Lip Color. Now this one is so good, guys. I mean, this is just for 105 rupees and you get it on discount all the time for 95 rupees within 100 rupees, and this is really nice. The pigmentation is really good. It's a best liquid lipstick you can ever get. You should definitely get your hands on this. Apart from this, Miss Claire also has really matte lip creams. Now this retails for 295 rupees. I have not tried, but I have heard really good reviews and I really want to get my hands on this. Last but not the least, my favorite, I should include this. This is Maybelline New York Sensational Liquid Matte. This is in the shade 05. Keep it mellow. This is the best lipsticks I've tried. This is a new launch, guys, and this retails for 349, just 50 rupees, but it's worth it. You should definitely get your hands on this one. They have really great shades and it glides like a dream, and it's super pigmented, and also it is a matte lipstick and it's not even drying your lips. It's really nice. Okay, now last but not the least, to work with all this stuff you should definitely need brushes or a beauty blender. Now Shein is out and we used to get a lot of brushes and makeup sponges for very cheap prices, and you can still get it from Amazon. I will definitely leave the links in the description box below. They're gonna start from 50 rupees and they're gonna go till, you know, depends on the quality, so go check that out. I'll leave all the links to all the products I've been talking in this video, I've mentioned in this video, and also a few of them if I even didn't mention, I'll probably leave the links in the description box, so do not forget to check the description box below. And that is it, guys. I hope you guys like this video and I hope you guys like this sort of a video. If you do, like, share and subscribe and check out the videos linked below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.